Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to communicate with infinite intelligence, the universe, God, whatever you like to call it, to help you to manifest your desires. So the signs and the synchronicities are there. The universe is trying to communicate with us all the time. But the problem is we often miss its signs because we're not paying attention. So I decided recently to experiment a little bit. I wanted to start communicating directly with the universe just to see what happened. It's not really something that I've tried doing a lot in the past when manifesting. And, I've heard more and more about just speaking straight to the universe to get some answers and get some signs and things like that. So I just thought it would be fun to give it a try to see what happened. So the way in which I've been doing this is when it comes to a certain desire that I'm trying to manifest, I've been asking the universe to give me a sign within 48 hours that my manifestation is on the way. The results from doing this have actually blown me away. The universe has responded to every single request that I've sent out and has done so quickly, it's been crazy. The majority of the time, the answers come through from the universe within a couple of hours after me asking. There is absolutely no doubt in my mind whatsoever that God, the universe, infinite intelligence is communicating with us all the time, but often we're just not tuned in. And it's been so beneficial doing this because I now know without a shadow of a doubt that my manifestations are on the way to me and I've got nothing to worry about. I just need to trust the process, trust in God, and just allow it to unfold in its own good time. So to give you an example of a sign that I've received from the universe, I asked it yesterday afternoon. It was actually yesterday evening at 7:30 p.m. roughly. I asked the universe for a sign that my dream home, so not the one that I'm currently living in. I did manifest this one, but this is the next step up, my dream home. I asked for a sign from the universe that my dream home was on the way to me. And I asked if I could please have an answer or a sign within 48 hours. And so that was it. I made some dinner and then I went to bed, and I was in bed just looking on my phone, just looking on a website that I often go on. And I was scrolling through one of the articles on this website and an ad just popped up in my face. And it was an ad for the blocks of land in the estate that I plan on building my dream home. It was advertising the blocks that they currently have for sale. And I've never seen an advertisement from this estate before. So it just popped up on my screen right in front of me and I just went, oh my God, is that my sign? Because the fact that it was an ad for the estate I'm trying to build a house in and it came through so quickly after asking, I just thought, it's got to be my sign. But then I thought, is it my sign? I'm going to ask again. So I said to the universe, if that was a sign from you that my manifestation is close and my dream home is on the way, can you please give me another sign that's even clearer than that one? So I really understand that that is you giving me an answer. And within about 30 seconds of me asking that, a second ad popped up on my screen for the exact same estate. The exact same advertisement popped up once again, advertising the blocks of land that are for sale. And I was just like, okay. I mean, the exact same ad twice in that short amount of time was crazy. But what was even crazier after that was that I didn't see a single ad on this website for the rest of the time I was on it. So this is a news website where they often have photos and, it's basically a gossip website, but it's full of celebrity stuff, full of photos. And, when you're often going through images on this website, ads pop up all the time and you have to always click them off. But in this case, the only two ads that I saw last night were two ads for the estate that I plan to build my home in. And after that, I thought, I wonder how many more ads I'm going to see on the website tonight. I wonder if I can make it sort of happen again. So I clicked on several articles and scrolled through the images on each of these articles, and not one single ad came up on any article for the rest of the time I was browsing this website. Not a single ad, when normally this website is full of them. So that to me was absolutely crazy. Because if that wasn't a sign from infinite intelligence that my house is on the way to me, then I don't know what is. But it kind of blew me away, actually. So now that I've had the sign, I really feel like I can just let go and relax and just know that the universe has heard me and my manifestation's on the way. It was actually great, and I'm going to do this all the time with my manifestations and my desires. I'm going to communicate directly to get my answers, just so I can rest assured that I'm being heard and that everything's unfolding as it should. And one other thing that I tried recently when communicating with the universe was I asked it for a blessing. I just said, if you're real, if you can hear me, I would like to receive some sort of a gift or a blessing from you within the next 48 hours. And that was it. And the thing that was crazy was I received more than one. And, one example of one is that I received a message from a girl I haven't seen in ages, a good friend of mine. And she just sent me a message out of the blue asking to catch up. And I just thought that's a blessing, because I've had a good friend I haven't seen for ages just show up. And another blessing that I received was a friend request from a girl that I got along really well with that I met over New Year's. I wasn't sure that I would see her again, and she sent me, a friend request over the weekend. And that's another blessing to me. I've just got a new friendship out of this. So, I would probably just ignore those things in day-to-day life and just go, oh yeah, that's nice. But now that I recognize it as a gift, as a blessing from the universe, it means that much more to me. Now, I thought that was pretty crazy. So I'm very, very grateful. But not only that, it made me sort of see other things I wouldn't necessarily see that are blessings in my life. And just made me feel that much more grateful. So if you'd like to receive a sign or, some sort of a gift or just something to give you a bit more faith in the universe and that it is listening to you and it is communicating with you, then try talking to it. Ask it for a sign and just see what happens, because honestly, the results of doing this lately have absolutely blown me away. Anyway, that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos from me, then please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell to be notified of my future uploads. Give this video a like. You can leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.